Okay, everyone, I want to briefly discuss servos. Here's your common servo. Has three wires. In this case, a yellow, red, and a brown. So I want to test this and just show how it works on the bench and how you could test servos. So we're going to need power source. I'm using my bench power supply here of 5.4 volts. I have the manual for the servo here. We have power and signal between 4.8 and 7.2 peak. They have a frequency of 50 hertz. And showing your orange is the signal, red is the power, brown is ground. So I'm going to use my function generator here to generate the test signal. So what I've done is taken the function generator and we connect it to the scope here. So here's the output from the function generator connecting to the oscilloscope. Let's look at the scope. I have it showing our frequency here, our pulse width here, and our duty cycle here, and there's the square wave. Now we can adjust the duty cycle like this. And by adjusting this, we're going to control the servo once it's connected. Most servos now, about 1.6 milliseconds, like this, should be the center position. Here's our servo. Let's stand it up. I have it connected here. I have soldered on here ground, power, signal, and then there's a little a capacitor here. Now as I vary the duty cycle less, the servo should turn one way. And as I increase it, it'll turn the other way. And if you change it faster, it'll move faster. To do that, I'm just adjusting the duty cycle here. So I have symmetry, just, between 5 and 30. That's all there is to it.